And also the transactions, it takes how many days as well, right? So that's one of the major areas. One things na mabilis. Second, anyone here can see how many golds are being sold in our current system? None. Okay, so that's the second thing that we're also focusing, giving you the transparency. How we gonna do that? We'll discuss it later. And third one is we want to get to our global expansion. Okay? The more gold in demand in the market, the higher the price it goes up. Is it gonna favor you guys na nasa kauna ngayon? Right? How much per gram we were targeting, ma'am? $186. So parang double na si Ma'am sa GCA niya. Okay, so we know now, no? We want it more, or maybe 1,000 grams per gram, di ba? $1,000 per gram. Is it possible? Yes, it is. It will be based on demand because once gold is available to every household, the demand and supply, the supply is limited, but the demand is high, the price will go up. It's a basic law. Okay? So, what if owning gold and trading gold is gonna be as easy as posting your story in social media? Gusto niyo ba yun?
Yes.
One click, mabilis, di ba? So what if you're gonna do that? How we gonna do that? Then this is the time we will introduce to you our platform, the Aurum platform. The Aurum platform will be the next generation and innovation to actually transact, buy, own gold, and sell it as quickly as sharing your story in social media. And also like browsing your Facebook. And also, we tokenize each gold ownership that is backed by gold. So meaning, we're not selling or we're not posting any gold here that is not backed by gold. And you will able to see that how and why we are migrating to this new technology. So number one is the security. So the mention to you, we are tokenizing each gold. And in order for us to do that, we need the blockchain. We're using the blockchain technology. Anyone here heard about Bitcoin? Raise your hand. Narinig niyo ba? Cryptocurrency? No. Most of you guys are familiar. The technology behind there is the one that we're also using. Okay? And it's tamper-proof. So meaning, you cannot manipulate the data inside the blockchain, which is very, very favorable to all of us. Number two is the accessibility. So syempre, we want it as fast and available anywhere to everyone. So even if you travel abroad, you want to transact, kita nyo, the price of gold today went down, you do the GAE. You go to travel to abroad, okay, before you pay your travel, you do the GCA. Accessibility for everyone. And this is for me, very important if I'm going to invest. I want to see transparency. Okay? So, later on, when we have all the training, seminar, we will teach you how you will check all the transactions available. So, meaning this is a ledger, public ledger na. So, you will see the books of the company available to the internet anywhere, everywhere. Anytime you want to open it. Makikita nyo lahat ng transaction flow, where the money goes. If I going to sell my gold today, is there any available liquidity for the company? By the blockchain technology, it's actually pwede na siyang gawin. So this is where the transparency comes in. Gusto nyo ba yun?
Yes!
Diba? Hindi naman natin gusto na lahat ng pera natin nilalagay today, hindi natin nakikita sa napupunta. And if ever we're gonna withdraw, are we going to have the company is really gonna pay us? In here, our liquidity is really reliable and fast and efficient. So meaning, you do your GAE today, you liquidate it, you sell your GAE, you terminate your contract, you'll get the funds as fast as easy.
Right.
So by having this new technology. Favorable ba sa lahat yon?
Yes!
Alright, so what are the product and services we have today that will be available very soon that we're migrating? So for today pala, let's give a round of applause to our tech team who's also available here. So they are very young tech team that is actually making this possible, like the whole team. They're very working hard para ma-i-up na natin yan, no? And maging available na siya. Alright, so buy or sell gold. Also, I think this is the same thing as your GSA. So the way how you do GSA is safety. But now, it's gonna be very easy. Later on, I'll give you a quick overview of the system, how it's gonna work. Maybe after the presentation, kasi I think there will be a lot of questions and answers later. So we'll have an open forum for that. Right? Gold convert, which is known right now, the GCA ninyo. Okay? So, mabilis na siyang matatransact ngayon and you'll able to see the status. Golden asset is the same as GAE, and I think everyone's familiar with GAE, correct? So I don't need to explain this. So also the GAE Extra. Anyone knows about GAE Extra? So GAE Extra is the same thing as GAE, but on GAE Extra, there is a third-party liquidity provider. Meaning, on the worst case scenario, we want to sell all of us wanted to terminate our contract on the GAE, there will be a third party provider that will buy all of our contract. So, but they will charge management fee much higher compared to our GAE. Because GAE is currently with Quantum Bullion, while GAE Extra is a third party provider that will buy our contract on a higher management fee. But, kung kayo, nagra-rush kayo talaga, but this is actually additional security on comfort for us, no? Na there is a liquidity provider na hindi tayo dependent with the bullion bank. So that's actually a very factor for us. But wait, there's more. Alright, so group decentralized staking. Let me explain what is this. This is not a paluwagan. Okay? This is not a paluwagan. So by that term, that's how it works. Ito yung natin. So here, it's a collaborative staking that the fund doesn't go to anyone. It doesn't go to the company, it doesn't go to you. It goes to the technology. The technology lock your funds, so the group of 10 will make a collective funds to buy the gold and do the GCA every month. But that fund doesn't hold by anyone. It holds by the technology. And the only people will lock the funds are the members who did the decentralized staking. Isn't it better now? So this is not a paluwagan po Okay? So the concept is that. But now, you don't rely with anyone. So for example, this is the front page. Hindi ko po, will give you more tour on the system once it's available. So we're targeting to complete this within this month. So in here, for example, 10 kami dito. So I don't need to wait for another person to complete the GCA. If I have funds now to pay for my monthly, since we have a pool, we have the funds locked in our decentralized system, I will use that, and then I will do the GCA. I'll pay, for example, I need to buy 20,000 worth of gold. So, I will use that fund, 20,000, i-unlock siya, then I'll pay the 3,000 para ibabalik ko sa decentralized ano natin, pool. And then, it will actually used by anyone who's already available within that month. If that person, for example, yung dalawa hindi po sila maglalagay this month, lumipas na yung month na yun, that's okay. The funds still available for the group, and then they can use that up to the month they actually selected. So for now, I think it's 60 days. We lock the funds there, and then you can use it as a group. And then at the end of the month, that fund will go back to you. Kasi automatic na yun. It will go back to your wallet. The company doesn't have a control there because it's decentralized. Meaning, the vote to the key to the vote are held by our members. So, mas maganda ba yun? Diba? Mas mabilis na, mas safe pa, transparent pa, at hindi pa tayo sasakit ang ulo. Asan na ba yung pera?
Yes.
Mamaya na po kasi nadala ko, magbayad muna ako kuryente. Mamaya po pag sweldo, bibigay ko na pabalik. Huwag po muna ako, wala pa kasi akong pangabono. Di ba? So may iwasan na natin yun. In here, and this one, you don't need to collect with you don't need to call someone. Uy, buo tayo ng 10. The leader can actually create a group, and then anyone in the world can join. So once the group of 10 na-complete, automatic mag-start na siya. So that's accessibility to anyone, anywhere. So even if it's not under pare group, even if kunwari puno na sila doon, you still need 5 from Thailand, Singapore, Malaysia can join you. So you can also do that. So you can create a group, di ba? Okay. So, I know you guys doing GCA to pay your expenses, but what if I can pay it directly, the bills, and do the GCA for me? Mas mabilis, di ba? I'll pay my Meralco bills. Automatic, you just add the additional fee for the GCA. Whatever you paid here, automatically it will create you the contract for your GCA. So for example, I need to pay for my Meralco bill 10,000 every month. I need to add the 15 or 17% complete dito. The whole 7 or 12,000 I need to pay, for example. Automatically it will buy me the gold, and then I will able to see that on my GCA contract. So you don't need to complete like 30,000 you put here. So now you have the money ready to pay your bills. And these bills goes directly to Meralco. We already connected with our So it will be available probably by first quarter of 2025. So fractionalize, mas mabilis na siya. Anytime, hindi nyo na kailangan mag-worry na kailangan ko muna ipunin tapos GCA ko. Now, even pay your utility, mga utility bills nyo. All electric companies will actually, it's kind of like a buy-in center, but it's powered by our GCA. So, yun mas mabilis po siya. Alright, so now, to get more updates, please download your Telegram. Join our community group, because here, in our Telegram, you will able to see all those updates, programs, question and answer. No? So please download na, join the group. We announce there, kasi sa Messenger po, there is a limit of 250 people only to join. So, but in Telegram, it's unlimited. Even we reach 300,000, 1 million. Anyone can join. And then also, there's also group, there's subgroup. Like for example, for Pare Group, Cebu Group, Manila Group, we can create that and you can also join there. So, para mas organized tayo. So, from here, that's all the high-level updates that I have. I'll let Chad, the next speaker, to actually give you what's more upcoming. So, by the way, all of you will be the pioneer of this system, and this system was fully created by Filipino, and we will be proud of Filipino. So, give a round of applause to everyone. Bigyan niyo po ng palakpakan ang mga sarili niyo kasi kayo po ay part nito at papagmamalaki niyo sa mundo. Alright, thank you po. That's all for me.